Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Chloroplast making ATP in the dark looks weird, but this question is actually fast once you track the pH difference and what ATP synthase does. First, lock in the setup. The stroma ends up at pH 8 while the thylakoid space stays at pH 4, so there are way more protons inside than outside. That pH gap is a proton gradient, and gradients naturally drive protons from high concentration to low concentration, so they flow through ATP synthase from the thylakoid space into the stroma. As those protons move through ATP synthase, the enzyme uses that proton motive force to power ATP formation from ADP and inorganic phosphate, even without light. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Trap, rushing past signs. Rule, trust given conditions and check the mechanism step by step.